Hinge to squat. This is a great opportunity to really fine tune one movement and then another movement within the same exercise. So you really have to think what's happening ground up with the breath and then top down. Exhale. Inhale, pick up that load, keep it close. Going down into that hinge, toes pointing slightly in. Exhale, stand into a goblet squat position, nice and tall. Inhale, exhale. From the side, hinge, squat. The hinge might be a little bit easier based on the load. And down. Whoop. Working that breath, inhale to exhale. So if I was going to use dumbbells, inhale,